if we pull it up, feed the shaft, start the shaft, and then put the bolts in the front, you see what I'm saying, and then set it down,
Okay.
it'll probably go without taking any of it out.
Alright.
Do what now?
Just, hang on, hold it up, Nick. Take it back, backwards. Feed the shaft first. Take it forwards, set the front down, if we can.
Oh.
Nope, it ain't gonna go. I was hoping it would.
So the shaft needs to come off.
That's kind of.
Alright. It's easy enough.
Sorry.
It's alright.
I was hoping it was gonna make it, that there was enough angle on that
So,
shaft.
here you go, bud.
Here you go. One.
See that hole right there?
Yeah. See that hole?
Okay.
Yeah.
Somebody.
How much is that sealed?
How much is it sealed?
Yeah, is there, what, how, is it, if you take it off, is there oil there and are you worried about sealing it again?
There's no oil in it. It doesn't need to come